What are economic activities? Options are activities done for fun or activities to earn livelihood or cultural celebrations. Answer: activities to earn livelihood. Which of these is a primary economic activity? Is it teaching or farming or shopkeeping? Answer is farming. Which sector involves making goods in factories? Options are primary sector or secondary sector or tertiary sector. Answer is secondary sector. What is the main feature of tertiary sector? Is it natural resource collection or manufacturing or providing services? Answer: providing services. What is an example of an informal economic activity? Options are working in a registered office or street vending or government employment. Answer: street vending. What is bartering? Options are trading using currency or exchange of goods without money or importing goods. Answer: exchange of goods without money. What does the term livelihood refer to? Options are a way to spend money or a way to earn money or a type of holiday. Answer: a way to earn money. What does a bank do in economic activity? Options are provides games or offers investment and savings or organizes elections. Answer: offers investment and savings. What is the role of transport in economic activity? Options are it entertains tourists or helps move goods and services or stores water. Answer: helps move goods and services. What is meant by self-employment? Options are working for the government or working for oneself or working without skills. Answer: working for oneself. If you derived value out of it, then do consider sharing the video.